Okay, so how do we create collections on a new Shopify store? Well, let me show you how it's done. So first thing you want to do is click on products, collections, and right here you can create collections for your new Shopify store. So let's go ahead and delete this one first, right? So let's go and delete this one. That's how you can easily delete a collection as well. Now click add collection. Let's give it a name. Let's call it clothes. All right. Make sure that it's on manual. Now for the products, just click on browse, add all the products that you want to add to your collection. For example, there's this. I'm just doing it randomly, but you guys should be careful about the products that you're adding to your collection, and also make sure you add a clean image. Very very important, guys. So click on add image, and you can simply click on add files, and you can upload any from your PC. But I'm just gonna, for the sake of this video, just click on any random picture, click on add, and yeah, it's done. Now the last thing is, it's say very very important. And boom, guys, our collection is done. I'm going to click back on collection. And here we have the collection done. Now, the name is clothes, and we have 7 products in this collection. Now, the other important thing is, how do we add this collection to our new Shopify store? And so that I'm going to click on all in store, right? This is where we can, take a look at our themes, change it, and even customize it as well. So I'm going to click on customize now. And here we have the homepage of our Shopify store. Now I'm going to click on add section, and I'm going to real quick search collection. Okay, so we got a featured collection and we got a collection list. So guys, go ahead and click on collection list, add, and it's right here. So I'm going to just move it up. Okay, here we have it. Okay, the collection has been added. Now just simply click on collection list. Yes, look good, looks good. I'm going to delete these 2 because I only made 1 collection. Now simply click on collection again, click on select, and here you have your selection. Just click on select, and here we have it, guys. Our collection has been added. Now I'm going to click on save. I'm going to show you guys something. So this is our store. Let's just real quick refresh it, and boom, guys. So this is our collection. Look at this. This is the image, main image. It says right here clothes, and if you click on it, here we have all the products that we added to our collection. Now, that is how easy it is. You can create collections on your Shopify store. And guys, you can create as many collections as you want. Just simply go to products, click on collections, add in all the collection that you want, and you can simply add them later on your Shopify store. If you are already running a dropshipping store or thinking about getting started, SellShop is a complete Shopify dropshipping app that brings everything that you need inside one platform. That's right, everything that you need. Now, inside the app, you can use Nexus AI to quickly find the products that are already trending or even spot what's about to take off. Now, that way, you're not just wasting or guessing your money on the products that won't even sell in the first place. Now, you also get access to the handpicked winning products updated daily by our team of e-commerce experts. Plus, the ad spy tool for Facebook and TikTok, so you can see which products are going viral and spy on the exact ads that are working for your competitors. Connecting your Shopify store is super easy. Just click the link in the description, and in just 30 seconds, you're connected. Once you're up and running, Sell the Trend handles your Shopify store automation, from creating AI-powered conversion-ready product pages to syncing your inventory with suppliers, all the way to just one-click order fulfillment. With Sell the Trend, your Shopify store practically runs itself. You also get access to the top-rated supplier marketplace with local shipping options from USA, Europe, and beyond. So customers aren't waiting weeks for their orders. Now, I've left a 14-day free trial in the description of this video, so you can go and check SellTrend out for yourself. If you want to see which kind of products are really selling right now, then check out this video next.